Whitney Steel is a steel building manufacturing company that supplies quality steel buildings all over the United States. We do everything from the mainframe to the sheets and trim. The main thing is to be able to get the product to the customer as quick as possible. Quality and on-time delivery is what matters to us. Without a good machine behind you, you can't get the product to the customer on time. Since we have bought the two Sunrises, they have eliminated downtime considerably. They're a low maintenance machine, more user-friendly than other CNC machines we've had here. Our relationship with Trilogy is great. They send me parts as soon as I need them. If I have any service questions, any technical issues, they are there to solve them immediately. The CNC machine puts everything right on the money, so there's no speculation or guessing. Being able to punch holes in plates faster, to weld beams together faster. The new technology has probably tripled our production. The future here at Whitney looks good. We have got orders on the books for the next 2 years. I see us adding more Sunrise machines to speed our process up even more.